Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, July the 7th. This is David, and let's take a look at Apple this evening. Fresh off of all-time highs to end the week last week, this week we sort of chopped underneath that high. But notable, right, that our sort of last all-time highs from a year and a half ago were near this Voodoo fire line level. And when we broke out here in early June, we got above, tested, and held above the fire line level. So as we start to ask the question, is this name, which is heavily weighted in major indices, going to drag the indices up, right? Or are the indices going to drag Apple back down? This Voodoo fire line is going to be an important level for us to watch to help assess that. Now, for the moment, this is a name which is attempting to break free of the sort of gravitational pull of this important level to the upside, right? First step when we broke out was to run into the skyline. This is one of the less important Voodoo line levels. Then we pulled back, got above, ran to the upper skyline, the next skyline up, and we've been testing that here this week in pullbacks and mostly holding it. If we can continue to hold that 190 and 57 cent area, then the sights are still set on 196.70. Otherwise, failing 190.57 puts us in limbo, sort of trying to figure out, is that just to feel for support at 186.79 or to drop below that level and have a more consequential retest of 180.66, or is it to come back and try again to get above 190.57, right? So that's how we use these Voodoo roadmaps. Just look at the relationship to the most important levels, then the next important set of levels in the region, the levels between them, and assess what levels need to hold to keep the roadmap up or what would turn it bearish. So I still think to view this as very bearish, we need to break 180.66. From here, getting above 196.70 keeps the focus on the upside. So with all the questions we have about the indices, watching these levels in Apple and waiting for a clear sign one way or the other may help us to figure out what's going on more broadly in the market. We will see how things come together over the next few sessions, and I will see you at the next update.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.